All shots. Short news in 30 seconds. One word that really changed the face of the world in 2020 is coronavirus. First half of the year is already over and people are still sitting in their homes and wondering if they will ever be able to witness the same freedom they were enjoying in 2019. Going out with friends, watching a movie, planning a family trip abroad, or going back to the office without wearing a mask. Everything comes down to hope. Let's check out how people around the world welcome the year 2020 and by far how much has changed in this year. Initially, China's province Wuhan reported a cluster of pneumonia like cases that were increasing on a daily basis. After WHO inquired about the same, the virus was then announced with its official name called COVID 19. The first case outside China was reported in Thailand, and in no time, cases were found all over the globe. In March 2020, WHO declared the COVID 19 as a pandemic. For now, there are more than 16 million cases around the world, with most cases registered in the United States, followed by Brazil and India. Speaking of impact of COVID 19, in just 6 months of the pandemic, amid nationwide lockdowns, global recession was declared, which had the same impact of the Great Depression in the World War II. US-China trade witnessed ups and downs, all this while because of clash of opinions during the crisis. While every other industry was forced to shut down during lockdown, people also felt mental pressure sitting at home with either no jobs or fewer wages. Economists suggest that the economy will be negative for the rest of the year and people will recover from the losses once the vaccine is in place. While people around the world are still trying to rebound in their lives, rest of the year will just be utilized for the same. Let's face it, the first half of the year is just over by witnessing the increasing number of cases, and the second half of 2020 will witness more waves of infection, hopefully with better recovery and a vaccine soon. Let's hope that the future holds the light and hope for all the people to recover and reinstate. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and click on the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to keep watching Alshot's videos.